So now we are at the airport and we are going to Goa.
ये फालतू accent मार रहा है और कुछ
तो गोवा जा रहा है कि नहीं?
जाएंगे क्यों नहीं जाएंगे? accent नहीं मारा, excited है अपन.
So we have just security checked in at the airport. Now we are going to Delhi, and I think we have a layover at Delhi for like 3 hours, and after that we'll be boarding for our flight for Goa. And the rest thing is we'll be reaching to Goa at around 2:30 in the morning. We'll be reaching at our place. Estimated time of arrival at our place is around 5 o'clock in the morning. So.
Many hours later.
So anyway, after a long hassle, we are finally in Goa. So
More moments later.
So we are in the belt number 3 and we are waiting for our luggage to arrive. And meanwhile, I just saw Starbucks, but I guess it's not open yet. We are at the most famous sighting, among the most famous sighting of the Goa. We are at Panjim and this is the church.
Immaculate Conception Church.
So, Immaculate Conception Church, and we are here. So these are.
पहले अपन reply किया. पहले उसको अरे आगे यार अपन दूसरे को तो reply किया है. अरे इसमें नहीं किया था. नहीं दूसरा अच्छा वो.
So these are my friends. Alright folks, so now we are going for the water sports, and last night was just too many, so I'm not feeling myself, I'm not feeling good enough to do all these things effortlessly.
Because of the last night's hangover.
Anyway, so because of all these things which have happened last night, I'm quite sure that I won't be able to do this thing. And the issue persists, and
Because of
don't say that, spoiler alert. Yeah, this guy here is very much excited. See his face.
Yeah, I'm excited.
So we'll be doing scuba diving, and then I think we'll proceed with the that thing where we go up.
Go up. Then go down.
And then there's banana boat. So yeah, wish us luck. So guys, I can't tell you how amazing experience it was. We just took a dive in the banana boat. Oh my god. So we are at the Arambo beach and look how secluded, how beautiful, how calming, how peaceful this part of the beach is. I always wanted to visit such beaches where we see no crowd, I mean a very negligible amount of crowd, no commercials, only and only beautiful, beautiful sight. This is beautiful. This is the best. We had the greatest time of our trip on this particular beach, this particular time. This is the moment. We love it. Did we love it?